Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. In today's video I'm just going to be showing how I sharpen my knives and get them ready for selling. First of all, I've just got a main edge on the knife with the belt grinder, as this knife was stock and it had no edge. Now I'm just taking it to the stone, starting on the coarser side of the stone and working up to a finer grit on the stone. I'm just using oil here. This is the oil stone. Right now I'm actually stropping the knife, and for that I use the back side of a belt. So I flip a belt inside out and apply sharpening compound onto the belt. As you see, I'm sharpening two knives here. One of them is just a recent chefy knife, and the other one is a beautiful Damascus chef knife. Right now I'm just getting the final burrs off the edge with a leather strop